Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word. Now for us to achieve this one, let's head over to Google and let's go ahead and type here Grammarly, and then we're going to go ahead and open it from the official site. Now from here, let's go ahead and click here, get Grammarly, it's free, and then we're going to go ahead and sign in with our Google account. Now just go ahead and input your Google account right here. I'm just going to do this one real quick. All right, there you go. So yeah, once we're done with that, we have two options here. You can go ahead and use this one for Windows and Chrome or for Windows only. Now in our case, since we're only opting for Microsoft Word, we're gonna go ahead and use this for Windows only and not for Chrome. And besides, I also use a different browser, so Chrome is not very much applicable to me. So once you're done with that, just go ahead and install it. You know, it's very simple. Just follow the instruction, just click this one right here, and then we're just gonna wait for this to be done. All right, so seems like this one has already existed. Now we're going to go ahead and sign in to our existing account. Just go ahead and use the same one. Click continue to Grammarly if you've already signed in, and then click open to Grammarly. All right, so once you're seeing something like this, we are good to go. Let's head over to our document, and yeah, here you go. So one thing that you know it's active is there's this one here, Grammarly, and then there's something like this as well. And yeah, let's go ahead and close this for now. Another thing is this one right here. We're gonna see that. So if I were to go ahead and hover over here, you're gonna see something like this. Now this is actually a correction. So you can go ahead and basically check here the correction and what are the things that they're suggesting in order to make this better. So yeah, that is how you're going to download the Grammarly here in your Word and in your Windows PC.